Hi, this is MarqueeCrew, and I'm going to help you concatenate. I've got a request here from community trying to concatenate rows based on a pattern. So what we're seeing is a field that looks like it's always order details, but we're going to leave that for right now. And what we're seeing is a number 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, whatever the numbers are going. But at every point where it becomes 1.1 again, what they want to do is put all that information from multiple rows into a single row. So let's see if we can do something like that with Alteryx. I've cut and pasted the data into field 1 and field 2 exactly as it was in the original post. And what we're going to do is we're going to see order details and 1.1 information. And so what I'm going to do is use a multi-row formula. And in the multi-row formula, I'm going to create a row ID because, again, I don't know about that field 1. So I'm using my own row ID that I have control over. And I'm going to use this IIF, inline if statement. So if the leftmost three characters of field 2 are equal to 1.1, I'm going to use the row ID above me and add 1. Otherwise, I'll just stay on the same row ID. That way, anytime you see 1.1, you're going to advance the row ID. Anytime you see another value, you're going to keep that row ID. So I've got 10 records on input, and it works to 10 records on output. I'm now going to switch over to the Summarize tool. In the Summarize tool, I'm going to group by row ID and then group by field 1. I probably don't need to do it quite that way, but let's do it that way. And then I'm going to concatenate field 2. When I say that I'm going to concatenate field 2, all of a sudden I get concatenate properties into the Summarize configuration. And my separator is going to be /n, and /n is going to represent a new line. And when I go and I take a look at the output anchor, I'm now going to see this cell has embedded new lines, and this cell has embedded new lines. So I'm actually going to do what they want pretty easily in basically 2 tools. I'm going to then put a select to get rid of that row ID field, and I have my output. Hopefully this is something that you might be able to find value in, and thank you very much for paying attention and learning something today with me. Thank you.